Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. We are Group 1 from the Service Marketing course. Let's first introduce ourselves. My name is Xia Mingze. This is my group members. They are Sun Jiemeng, Wang Chengyu, Chen Yajie, Zhao Yifei, Liu Xiran, Lu Jiawei, Wu Peiling, An Ning, and Shi Haonan. Our topic today is self-service technology, also called SST. SST means customers do services by themselves using machines or applications. They do not need help from staff for every step. Now, we will show you what our position will cover. First, we will introduce what SST is. Then we will talk about how SST is used in different service industries. Next, we will explain how SST helps improve service performance. After that, we will discuss the pros and cons of SST. Then we will look at future trends of SST. Finally, we will share our summary and outlook. Okay, let's begin with the meaning of SST and where we can find it in daily life.
Hello, Professor. In the Chapter 1, I will introduce self-service technology. This means that customers can complete the service process on their own without help from service personnel. It's used in many industries, such as retail, finance, catering, medicine, and more. Some examples include self-service checkout machines in supermarkets, ordering screens in fast food restaurants, ATMs, and mobile apps in the banks. SST technology is widely used in these industries with high counter pressure and many customers. This technology improves efficiency, reduces the cost of employers, and makes the service more convenient and satisfying for customers. It does this by meeting the needs of modern consumers for efficiency and flexibility. However, there are still some problems with SST, such as equipment failure and difficulties in use by older users. SST machines are becoming a key driver for the digital transformation of the modern service industry. And in the future, technology iterations will drive self-service technology machines towards greater intelligence and humanity. Okay, thank you.
Now let me show you how self-service technologies functions in various service industries. With technology developing so fast, many businesses are using self-service technologies to work more efficiently, save costs, and give customers a smoother and more personal experience. Let's start with the hotel and tourism industry. Many hotels now offer self-check-in machines or mobile apps, so guests can check in and out by themselves without waiting in line. Some hotels even have more rooms, smart rooms, where guests can control the lights, temperature, and the TV on their own. This not only makes the stay more comfortable, but also helps the staff focus on other tasks. And some hotels also use interactive concierge systems and service robots. They can answer guest questions, deliver items to rooms, and offer 24/7 support. This makes the stay easier and more convenient. In the food industry, self-order machines and mobile ordering are very popular. They help people order faster and avoid long lines. Big brands like McDonald's and Shake Shack use these systems to suggest extra items, which helps increase sales. And what's more, delivery robots and smart kitchen tools make service faster and food better. And in retail, self-service technologies are also common. Stores now use self-checkout, smart shelves, and mobile payments to make shopping easier. For example, in Amazon Go stores, you can take your items and leave, and the systems take care of the payment. And this not only save time for customers, but also help stores run more efficiently.
In the financial services sector, self-service technologies are fundamentally transforming traditional service models. Through ATMs, online banking, and mobile apps, customers can now perform tasks like account inquiries, transfers, and payments 24/7 without relying on in-person assistance. This significantly improves service accessibility and convenience. At the same time, intelligent customer service and chatbots are able to handle a large volume of routine inquiries, reducing the workload of customer service centers and enhancing customer satisfaction. These technologies not only increase service efficiency, but also strengthen customer trust in financial institutions. In the transportation and the travel industry, SSTs have also brought major changes. Airlines and railway system widely use self-check-in, self-backdrop, and boarding passes, simplifying boarding process and reducing queuing time. Ride-hailing apps and car-sharing platforms empower users to plan trips according to their needs. For instance, the autonomous transit service loop in San Francisco, operated by self-driving buses, has set a new benchmark for intelligent travel services. It's clearly that the widespread use of SSTs not only improves operational efficiency, but also enhances customer autonomy and satisfaction. As technology continues to advance and customer needs grow more diverse, SSTs will play an even more influential role in shaping the future of service industries.
Hello everyone, the third part we will discuss the self-service technology in the specific industry. The first is the aviation industry. Here we take two examples. The first is the AutoGate immigration clearance and the other is self-bag drop at terminal station. The first AutoGate immigration clearance, here we can know the news that from the June 1st, 2024, the visitors from 63 countries are eligible to utilize AutoGate for immigration clearance in Malaysia. Of course, we Chinese are included in it. According to the official data, the clearance time reduced from an average 10 to 15 minutes to only 30 seconds per traveler. By reducing stops at immigration counters, we can relocate personnel to high-touch services to improve the whole working efficiency. The second is about self-bag drop at terminal station. Passengers can just print luggage tags, weigh bags, and complete check-in independently. In Kuala Lumpur Airport, they have already successfully deployed automated bag drop, slashing the check-in times by up to 40%.
Hi everyone, my name is Anning. Today I'd like to share how Accor Hotels is using self-service technology to make hotel stays faster, easier, and more efficient. Instead of waiting in long lines, customers can now check in and check out by themselves using self-service kiosks. This cuts the average check-in time to under about 3 minutes, a big improvement over the traditional process. It also helps avoid common mistakes like assigning the wrong room or getting bills details wrong. Right now, Accor has rolled out this system in 60 hotel departments across 13 countries, and the feedback has been great. In fact, over 90% of users say they happily use the system again. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes the experience smoother and for everyone. Accor didn't stop there. They've gone a step further by opening the Ibis Hotel in London, which is their first fully digital hotel. Here, guests can do almost everything themselves. For example, checking online, lock their rooms with digital keys, and even order service through a self-service platform. These features make the whole stay more flexible and convenient. It's not just about saving on staff costs. By automating routine tasks, hotel employees have more time to focus on what really matters, personal service. And that's exactly what improves the overall customer experience. So in the end, it's a win-win for both the business and the customers. Thank you, that's all.
Hello everyone. Actually, in our daily life, self-service technology in the service industry has both advantages and changes. Now let us show you guys about the pros and the cons of self-service technology, or SST for short.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about the self-service technology, or SSTs. These are things like self-checkout machines, online booking website, and apps that let you make appointment by yourself. SSTs are becoming more and more common in many service industry. First, SSTs helps companies work faster and save a lot of money. When customers can do things by themselves, like pay for items or book a service, companies don't need a lot of the employees. This also helps avoid the human mistakes that people might make. Second, SSTs make service more flexible. People can use them anytime, day or night. This is very convenient and makes consumer happy. Also, many people feel more comfortable using SSTs because they don't need to talk to others or share personal information. This is very important in places like hospitals and banks. Another good thing about SSTs is they help companies collect useful data. Companies can learn that customers like and needs. It helps them give better and more personal service. But SSTs also have some challenges. They only work well if people know how to use it, and if the design is easy to understand. So the companies should make sure the systems are simple and give help for training if needed. This way, anyone can use them easily. Thank you for listening.
One big problem with SST is technical glitches. They happen all too often. Self-service devices can have software problems, hardware breakdowns, or internet outages. Let me give you an example. Travelers who use self-service machines to print flight passes and check their baggage may run into trouble. If the software has bugs or the servers are down, they will face delays and inconvenience. Some might even give up on self-service and go back to the traditional menu check-in windows. This will lower the overall efficiency of promoting self-service. And another issue is the lack of personalized services. SST is useful, but it lacks the human touch. Think about dining out. If you order from a self-service kiosk instead of a waiter or waitress, you miss out on the recommendations. An experienced server can suggest dishes based on your personal taste, dietary needs, or the specials of the day. Without its personal element, people might not be as happy with their experience, especially those who value the social and personal side of service. In summary, self-service technology in the service industry has both advantages and changes. While SST is crucial for making service processes better and allocating resources more efficiently, and it also has great potential to improve the customer experience and boost a company's competitiveness. We still need to think carefully about how to deal with technology failures and the reduction of personalized services. Only then can we ensure a balanced and ideal service delivery model.
Hello everyone, my name is Wang Chengyu. This part is about the future trends of self-service technology. Although the future of SST in the service business will be a balance between technological advancement and user-focused design in an attempt to make self-service more efficient, customized, and secure. Based on the technology-driven perspective, some of the key trends will shape the future of SST. First, the influence of the latest technologies such as the Internet of Things, Big Data, and cloud computing will be greater. Second, technologies like touchscreen, voice command, and AR user interface will continue to evolve. From the user perspective, personalization is a key trend. Users desire SST to be aware of their individual preferences and requirements. Through data collection and analysis, SST can offer customized service. The second most important point is the necessity for cohesive omni-channel experience. For example, they must be able to start an order on mobile application, continue on an in-store self-service terminal, and pick up the product at their convenience. Additionally, security and privacy are most vital to users.
To conclude, self-service technology, or SST, has become a powerful driver in the digital transformation of service industries. From self-checkout in retail to self-check-in at hotels and airports, SST improves efficiency, reduces cost, and enhances the overall customer experience. Our research has shown how SST not only streamlines operations, but also provides customers with great flexibility, control, and convenience. However, it's not without challenges. Technical failures and the lack of human interaction concerns that businesses must remain addressed. Looking ahead, the future of SST lies in smart, personalized, and secure solutions supported by AI, IoT, and big data. For companies, the key will be to balance automation with human care, ensuring that all users, regardless of age and tech skills, can benefit. In short, SST is no longer a trend, it's a necessity for modern service excellence. Thank you for watching.